Hey everyone, my name is Seth, and I've been working on a personal passion project for quite some time now, recreating a historically accurate 3D model of the NASA Mercury Freedom 7 spacecraft's interior. My goal with this project is simple: to help preserve a piece of our shared space history and make it more accessible to anyone who wants to learn about it. I'm not doing this for fame or recognition. I'm doing it because I love space history. And I've always been fascinated by the early days of human spaceflight. And I truly believe that the more we can bring these stories and these spacecraft into the present, the better we can understand our past and inspire our future. I've made a lot of progress already. I've carefully studied photos, engineering drawings, and historical documents to model the cockpit, flight controls, and panel as accurately as possible. But right now I'm stuck. The one component that's proven almost impossible to figure out is the optical layout of the Mercury capsule's periscope camera. I've searched far and wide for lens specifications, diagrams, anything that could help show me the exact lens stack configuration, and I've come up empty. An optical lens stack diagram or optical lens stack design specification is essentially a blueprint for how multiple lenses are arranged and interact to form a clear, focused image. It details the number, shape, size, spacing, and orientation of all the lenses in the system, along with any associated optical elements like prisms, mirrors, beam splitters, or filters. Understanding this configuration is crucial for accurately recreating the optical performance, optical characteristics, and the view that the original camera system provided. And that's where I'm hoping you can help. Specifically, I'd like to reach out to someone who I know shares this love for cameras, space, and history. Dustin from Smarter Every Day. Dustin, if you're watching, I know you have a passion for understanding complex systems, especially cameras, and a deep appreciation for the wonder of space exploration. You've brought countless people closer to science, technology, and engineering, and the stories that inspire us all. This project checks all those boxes. It's about cameras, it's about space, and it's about preserving space history. I'm asking for your collaboration, whether that means helping me track down lost technical drawings, experimenting with optics to reverse engineer the lens stack, or connecting me with someone who has that elusive knowledge. I'd value your insight and your expertise. I'm not looking for a spotlight. I'm looking for a partner who's just as excited as I am to uncover a piece of our early space heritage. Now, before I continue, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsor, Haystacks Tech, for supporting this video. Haystacks Tech provides enterprise-scale quality assurance testing automation at 90% lower costs, offering a more efficient testing process for SaaS and mobile application business owners, operators, and development teams. I'm Seth, CEO, founder, and author of the Hay-DCAF framework at Haystacks Tech. I've been writing software for 37 years, working in the testing industry for 25 years, and I've been a QA thought leader for the last 15 years. In my career, I've built QA and AI frameworks for some pretty big names, like IBM, Siemens, SAP, MetLife, Blue Cross, Bank of Montreal, Lowe's, Sam's Club, NASCO, CVS Caremark, and dozens more. I'm thrilled to bring you our next flagship product, Hay-DCAF. That's Haystacks Data-Centric Automation Framework. An all-in-one QA solution designed to save you time, money, and headaches in your QA process. If you're building any kind of web, cloud, SaaS, or mobile product, you already know how crucial it is to have a rock-solid QA process integrated with your DevOps. But here's the thing. Why invest your resources into building and maintaining your own in-house test automation solution when you can leverage a fully integrated, battle-tested framework like Hay-DCAF? It also integrates perfectly with any tech stack you might have: Windows, Mac, Linux, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure DevOps, GitLab, GitHub, Sonar Cloud, Browser Stack, Sauce Labs, Jenkins, Bamboo, Looper, Kafka, Salesforce, Artifactory, really any industry standard tools you're already using. One of the biggest myths about no-code frameworks is that they lock you out of making changes. Not with Hay-DCAF. You get all our source code, and I mean all of it. This means you have complete control. Tweak it, extend it, adapt it to your unique environment. The best of both worlds. A no-code approach when you need speed and simplicity, plus full access to the code when you need to customize. We designed Hay-DCAF with a modular, data-driven architecture offering complete future-proofness, advanced debugging tools for developer quality of life, and extensible schema-driven design patterns. It's a powerful framework that grows with your needs, whether you're a small startup or an established enterprise. I know what you might be thinking. Is this framework really robust enough for my company? Let me assure you, Hay-DCAF is battle-tested at scale. My experience spans decades in the QA field. We leveraged all the lessons from our high-profile enterprise implementations and applied them directly to the Hay-DCAF architecture, engineering, and strategies. You get faster time to market, that is, ready-to-use no-code features with the flexibility to customize when you want. Lower QA costs. You won't have to hire an army of test engineers to build everything from scratch. Enterprise-grade scalability. We handle everything from small startup projects to massive global infrastructure. Full source code access. No locked black box. You own it, you control it, it's yours, from end to end. So if you're ready to streamline and supercharge your QA process without losing control, Hay-DCAF is the solution you've been waiting for. Head over to the link in the description to book a demo today. Let's make your QA smarter, faster, and more cost-effective. And by the way, as a special thank you, we're offering 2 free seats for the first 2 customers who sign up for Hay-DCAF. Plus, you'll get 2 additional free pre-sales tickets for our upcoming mobile test automation solution with Appium and REST API testing suite with Axios, Postman, and Newman. Hurry because spots are limited. I'll see you soon. Now back to the video. So Dustin, if you're willing, I'd love to work together to solve this mystery. Let's bring this detail back to life, and in so doing, help make the Mercury Freedom 7 experience more authentic and inspiring for everyone. If any of you watching have leads or know someone who might help, please leave a comment below or reach out. I'd love to show you a bit more of the process that goes into creating these models. Up next, we'll move into a time lapse of my work on panel number 6, which is the one with the scope. From initial 3D modeling to refining the materials and finally adding textures to get it looking as close as possible to the original hardware, this will give you a behind-the-scenes glimpse of the kind of detail and effort that goes into every single component of this project. Every bit of assistance helps, and together we can ensure that this chapter of our space history isn't lost to time. God bless. I'll see you later. Take care and have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.
Okay. Roger, sufficient. Thank you. Cameras and tape off. ECS free on off. Control free on off. CO, control fuel. The running fuel is 95. The running fuel is 96. Cameras and tape recorded there. Cabin pressure. 15.2. Air temperature. 94. Fuel and quantity indicator. 7%. Emergency oxygen. 100% plus. Read out your DC volt. Main is 24. Secondary is 24. Number 1 is 25. 2 is 25. 3 is 25. 4 is 25. Standby 26. Isolated 29. Left the range. Start is 29 amps. Roger. Suit cabin temperature. Full CCW. Roger. Full. Not a problem. ASCS and fan. ASCS is 118. Fans is 115. Minus 3 minutes. CM blockhouse, do we gotta go? Right, R1. CM blockhouse, do I have a go? Stand by one. I gotta know, I'll have to hold it too. Roger, I'm going to hold. 2 minutes, 40 seconds in holding. CTC, TM is go. Roger, understand. TM is go. We have a momentary hold. Tony, hold on with me until I give you the word. Tony, Roger. Holding here and not recycled at this time. 7, rating it out clear. Capcom over to Chase. TM blockhouse, what are your camera capabilities? They're on. What is that? Okay, if you would like to how soon can you have them back on if I take them off? Oh, Yes, give me the word. I've got one please. 7 stand right now. I'm still on fire. All Mercury stations, one panel, tend to pick up, but just keep the camera safety motors on. Field, did you verify you got a border light? Okay, ready to resume the count? Roger, ready to resume the count, STE. I'm going to turn it over to Stoney, verify. Resume the count. Okay, Stoney, take it over. Roger. 5 seconds. 7 lights for Stoney. 7, Roger. 90 seconds, not counting. Roger. Minus 80 seconds. Minus 70 seconds. Roger. Minus 45. Roger. Roger. 30 seconds. Rain plus 24 volts. 26 amps. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Lift off. Oh, Roger. Lift off and the clock is starting. Okay, allow it clear. This is Freedom 7. Fuel is no 1.2 G7 at 14 PSI. Oxygen is go.
1.2 G, cabin 14 pounds per square inch, oxygen system go. All A-OK.
Freedom 7 is still go.
Freedom 7 is still go. The trajectory is A-OK.
This is 7. Fuel is no 1.8 G, 8 PSI cabin, and the oxygen is go.
Freedom 7 reports the mission is still A-OK. Full go.
Cabin pressure is holding 5.5. Cabin holding at 5.5.
Freedom 7 in voice communication with the Mercury Control Center.
Fuel is go 2.5 G.
Report 3.5 G. Cabin pressure holding 5.
Oxygen is go. The main bus is 24.
Cabin pressure holding 5.5 pounds per square inch.
29. Okay, it's a lot smoother now, a lot smoother.
The flight trajectory is still A-OK. The pilot is in good voice communication with Mercury Control.
7 here, fuel is go 4G, 5.5 cabin, oxygen go, all systems are go.
Freedom 7 with astronaut R&D Shepard reports the fuel system is go. 4G.
5G.
Cabin 5.5 pounds per square inch. Oxygen go. All systems go.
Power jettison green.
Pilot reports power jettison. Astronaut A-OK. Periscope coming out.
And the turnaround has started.
Turnaround started. Assuming orbital attitude.
SCS is okay. Normal movement.
He's going to hand control movements now.
Okay, switching to manual pitch.
Switching to manual control of the pitch attitude. Trajectory looks A-OK.
Pitch is okay.
Pitch control A-OK.
Switching to manual yaw.
Switching to manual yaw. Medical monitor in Mercury Control reports
Yaw is
pilot
okay.
condition appears to be
Switching
excellent.
manual roll.
Taking over manual control of the roll attitude.
Roll is okay.
Roll is okay.
On the periscope. What a beautiful view.
What a beautiful view.
Cloud
is a
cover
quote.
over Florida. 3 to 4/10 near the eastern coast. Obscures up to Hatteras. You can see Okeechobee. Identify Andros Island.
3 to 4/10 cloud cover along the
Identify the
eastern
reef.
coast of the United States, obscuring the eastern coast up through Cape Hatteras.
Retro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start retro sequence. In retro attitude, R-train.
Reports assuming retro attitude, initiating retro fire sequence.
Control is smooth.
Pilot reports mission very
Here's retro 1.
Rocket number 1 has fired.
Very smooth. Retro 2.
Retro number 2 has fired.
Retro 3.
Retro number 3 has fired.
All 3 retros are fired. Okay, 3 retros are fired. Retro jettison attack to arm.
Returning to jettison the
negative.
pod. We are still receiving excellent voice communication from the pilot.
We're pushing fly-by-wire.
Medical monitor reports everything A-OK in the cockpit.
Roll is okay. Roger, do not have a light.
The retro rocket packet has jettisoned. The retro rocket packet
I do
has
not
been
have a
jettisoned.
light. I see the straps falling away. I heard a noise. I will use override. Override used. The light is green. Oh, Roger.
The mission is now 6 minutes and 40 seconds old. Astronaut Alan B.
Periscope is
Shepard is still
retracting.
talking to us, working like a test pilot, reporting
I'm on
facts and
fly-by-wire,
figures,
going to
reporting
re-entry
procedures in the precise engineering manner of a test pilot.
Okay, Buster, re-entry attitude. Switching ASCS normal.
Beginning to roll into re-entry attitude.
ASCS is okay.